He was back in court again for his pretrial hearing. The week-long pretrial proceedings come ahead of his trial on murder charges in the shooting of the CEO of United Healthcare outside a Manhattan hotel last year. Mangione's statements to law enforcement and the contents of his backpack could be key pieces of evidence, but his lawyers argue they should be inadmissible because he was illegally searched. Prosecutors deny claims that Mangione was illegally searched and questioned. The 27-year-old Mangione has pleaded not guilty to 9 state counts, as well as 4 federal charges filed separately. The federal charges come with the possibility of the death penalty. So let's take a legal deep dive into this case. Attorney Josh Colesrud joins us once again. How strong is the argument from his lawyers that he was illegally searched?
Well, they do have an uphill battle. So where this is taking place, just like in Arizona, officers have the right to search anywhere between like their arm span when they're arresting somebody because of officer safety. So federal prosecutors this week have said that there was no violation of his constitutional rights when they searched his backpack and they found a manifesto where he said he wanted to whack a CEO of a healthcare insurance company, as well as a ghost gun that was also found in the backpack. And also his defense attorneys are saying that he was asked questions before he was read his Miranda rights, and that this is a violation of his Fifth Amendment right. But prosecutors are saying that these were voluntary, that he wasn't asked any questions. He just spurted out incriminatory statements, and that those statements shouldn't be suppressed. And I think that they do have an uphill battle here, and I would be surprised if the trial judge suppresses this evidence.
What do you make of his demeanor? Because we've seen, pictures of him kind of smiling. I mean, he seems a little jovial for something so incredibly serious. What do you make of this? Wouldn't that hurt him?
Well, he's certainly a celebrity in a small but vocal minority of people. There were reportedly dozens of followers in the courtroom wearing shirts like "No warrant, no search."
Right. And they dressed up as Luigi.
Yes, wearing green shirts.
Yeah.
Yep.
And I remember he even had a fundraising account where
a GoFundMe.
Yes, where people were. The last check was hundreds of thousands of dollars for his defense team.
Yep, exactly. Now prosecutors see this, and they may actually try to seize the money at some point for restitution for the victim in this case. So, we haven't heard of the last of that yet.
Right. No.